Hi everyone, I'm Dom from Sony, and it's an absolute honour to be able to introduce to you the Xperia 5 Mark IV, Sony's latest compact flagship device with content creation at its core. Now, let's get this gorgeous handset unboxed and take a closer look at how the Xperia 5 Mark IV is going to be the best tool for you to share your creativity with the world in a hand-fit size. When it comes to capturing life as it happens, there are so many things you can do with the Xperia 5 Mark IV to ensure that your content is the best quality and has the best chance of getting that online engagement. First off, no more do-overs, no more reshoots. Regardless of whether you're shooting photos or video, people or animals, your subject will always be in focus, even if it's moving. So imagine this. You're at a gig or a sporting event, or maybe you're just vlogging. You'll always have the right thing in focus at the right time thanks to real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking across all three lenses. You can also make anything look dramatic with the Xperia 5 Mark IV by filming in 4K 120 FPS, and either letting the handset sort the slow motion out for you, or take the high frame rate video file and edit it separately so you have more control over the final shot. The Xperia 5 Mark IV can also help you connect to a fresh audience or help you build an existing one thanks to the live streaming features within Videography Pro. You can easily connect to your YouTube account or other streaming platforms and get super high video quality and sound quality through the built-in mics, or by plugging in an external one, because you know, headphone jack. Plus, if you're doing IRL streams or vlogging, Sony's Steady Shot with Flawless Eye will make sure that your audience don't get motion sickness as you're walking around. And to make sure that you yourself are in focus, your framing is just right, your lighting is on point, and of course just to make sure that you actually have hit the record or stream button, then the vlog monitor is the perfect accessory to go along with the Xperia 5 Mark IV. But if taking photos is more your thing, then obviously all the features I've already spoken about will make your photos look absolutely amazing. But on top of that, you'll never miss that perfect moment or those epic action shots, because you've got Sony's 20 FPS continuous burst on all three lenses. And your headshots are going to have that extra professional touch with beautiful natural bokeh when using the brand new 60mm portrait lens. But what if making videos and sharing photos isn't what makes you tick? What if it's gaming or music? Well, obviously Sony, who make the most successful games console in the market and who also run one of the biggest music labels in the entire world, is going to have your back. Regardless of whether you are a casual or elite gamer, the Xperia 5 Mark IV and Game Enhancer have everything you need to help you win. We're talking super smooth gaming with 120Hz refresh rate display, focus and competition modes to help get rid of any distractions, display and sound settings so you can tweak everything to your liking, even multitasking mid-game if you need extra assistance on things. So the Xperia 5 Mark IV can help level up your gaming experience. But what if you want to share that with the world? Well, as with Videography Pro, Game Enhancer has everything you need to help set up a professional-looking live stream, allowing you to easily connect to your YouTube account, get your sound mix right, including plugging in an existing gaming headset, because, you know, headphone jack, and immediately interact with your viewers in the chat. And when it comes to music, it's not just audio lovers who'll have something to shout about on this handset, but also musicians who'll be able to record, edit, and share their tracks using Music Pro, and make their songs sound like they were recorded in a professional recording studio thanks to Sony's studio tuning service. So, content creators rejoice. The Xperia 5 Mark IV has got everything for videographers, photographers, gamers, and musicians. But what if you want to take a break from creating the content and switch to consuming it? Well, of course, Sony's got you covered for your downtime too. So as I mentioned earlier, music lovers will have something to shout about on this handset. They'll be able to upscale their digital music, including streaming services, to near high-res audio quality and listen to the songs as the artist intended, thanks to Sony's renowned DSEE Ultimate, as well as support for high-res audio files themselves. But it doesn't just stop there. You can listen to your favourite songs in a fresh new way and feel part of the performance with 360 upmix and 360 reality audio. And of course you can use any headphones, because you know, headphone jack. Movie lovers are also in for a treat with pristine picture across streaming services thanks to Sony's new real-time HDR drive and a display up to 50% brighter than last year's model. Speaking of streaming services, Xperia 5 Mark IV customers will also get unlimited streaming for 12 months of a huge library of Sony movies, including the largest selection of IMAX enhanced titles and 5 credits to redeem for premium movies and the latest Sony releases, all through Sony's very own streaming service, Bravia Core for Xperia. The Xperia 5 Mark IV is also built to last with Gorilla Glass Victus, IP6568 certification, a 5,000 mAh battery along with technologies to keep your battery healthy for longer, and wireless charging for the first time in an Xperia 5 series. It's hard to believe they've managed to fit all of that in here. So let me know what your favourite feature is down below in the comments. Don't forget to like the video whilst you're down there. Subscribe to the Sony Xperia channel. Be creative, go compact, and I will see you next time.